All right, welcome everyone. Like we got our 5 wheels and our train body here with our spring in there to does work. I am gonna go wild today and do 2 steps at once, just because 8 and 9 are both extremely short steps. They're literally only one little block piece. So 8 and 9. So I think this is gonna be one I can bump up. That being said, let's dig in and get our pieces together. See, C1, C3, and C6 times 4. Okay, basically the same ones we used last time. 3C, C6. C6 times, what did I say? Said 4, okay. Right. And final. All right. This one, similar to the last one, but it's only 2 layers. Or I'll put them in the right slots. C1 and whoop. Okay. Get these guys to all pop in place there. All right, then line up the holes again. Okay, still getting blowouts. Okay, so that was step 8. Now step 9 is C7, C8, and C9 times 4. 7, 8, and 9. All right. 7, 8, and 9. Oop. Breaking off things I don't need to break off. Okay. Back, and yeah, I mangled the top of that one pretty badly, but I think it'll still work. I did the same thing with that one, so be careful on popping those out. These 2 are all right. Knock some of that dust off there. All right, I just okay. Okay, so yep. Okay. Oh, C8 actually do. Hang on. Need more C8s. Yeah, get all the C8s. Okay. Let's C8 times 8. Yeah, the other two are 4. Okay. Okay. Now I'm ready. So just make sure you line up the size ones that go in. It says it goes in sideways. It fit. Oh, yeah, because I'm holding. It does. For some reason, my brain. I just want those. I want that slot to be up and down rather than side to side in my head. I don't know why. Let's see. Did I do that wrong after all that? Yeah, I did. So. Cool. All right. Keep them straight now. Okay. So 2 of these and 1 of these. Let's go ahead and lay those out so I can, so I don't do that again, which I'm very likely to do. A little bit of knolling. Okay, now we'll try that again. Do it with the writing to the inside. Oop. There's that veneer breaking off like I was talking about. Digital. Oof. Yeah, that one. Another big chunk of. Yeah, that's just. This has just got to be a bad batch because that's a. I'm just getting a ton of that stuff popping. That top layer of the veneer is just going all over the place on these things. Okay, this one slightly better, but I still got some on there. Okay. I can try and oops. Maybe hold it in there. It's going. Nope, it still came off. It's not. It's strictly cosmetic, so it's not that big of a deal. But it's just sort of. I meant to do that the other way, but oh well. All right. And that completes step 9. So, excellent. And like I say, you can see all the pieces that have come off here. Though that's all from that veneer popping off. But anyway, that finishes up. What did I say? That was 8 and 9 today. So thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.